Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this super easy copper eye makeup look, which is perfect for this year around. If you're wearing this on a sunny day, your eyes are really gonna pop, and it doesn't matter what skin color, what eye color, I'm sure this eye look is gonna look amazing on you, so definitely give it a go. But yeah, we're gonna dive right into the video. So I'm gonna start with this eyeshadow base, and this one is actually from Hindash Cosmetics. I'm not sure what the name is, but I will link it down in the description bar. It's the nude color. I believe he only has one of those shades, so if you search for it online, I'm sure you will find it. So I'm gonna blend this all over the eyelids, and then I'm gonna go in with my own palette that I created together with Sigma Beauty. It's the An Knook Pro Eyeshadow Palette. I'm gonna start with this color and just blend this all the way in my crease. It's the perfect like warmish, orangey kind of like color to use as a transition shade for if you're going for like a warmish brown color. So I'm just gonna blend this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner, and you can see that first I used a very tiny amount, and then I was like, okay, let me just apply more, because these eyeshadows are actually super easy to blend out, so you can easily like apply a lot on your brush and blend, and you will still be able to blend it out, like it doesn't really matter. So everything I'm doing at one side, of course, I'm also doing it the other side. I know some people do like their whole eye look on one eye and then they do it the same like at the other eye, but I like to do like every step that I'm doing afterwards, I will do it on the other eye, because else my brushes will get mixed up. I will actually forget what I did. But this works best for me. So now I'm gonna go in with this product, and I actually bought it online, and it looked so promising because I love the Stila Cosmetics glitter liquid eyeshadows, which used to be super popular back in the days. But this kind of looks similar, but it comes in a tube, and what I don't like about the Stila ones is that they dry out real quick, and there's actually not that much product in the bottle, which really sucks because it's quite an expensive product. And this, I feel like, has kind of the same finish, that sparkly shimmer. It's so beautiful. So I wanted to give it a go, and I was so surprised when I used it. It was exactly what I wanted it to be. So I'm so happy about that. I definitely want to see what different colors they have in this product, and I will link it down in the description bar if you want to know what product it is. But yeah, I was pleasantly surprised. And it's also really nice because it dries, so it will stay in place perfectly. So if you have hooded eyes and you struggle with your eyeshadow like transferring into your crease or something, this is going to be beautiful with like a matte shade in your crease, just like I did. And I only used two products, the kind of warmish shade in the crease and underneath the lower lash line, and then the shimmer on the eyelid. And it looks like I put so much effort into this eye look, when in fact it's only like two products. So yeah, definitely one of those products that gives you like instant effect without too much effort. Like if you have a party and you don't have a lot of time, this is your go-to product. So now I'm going to use this mascara from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Actually haven't used this mascara in a while, but it's actually really good. Then I went in with these lashes from Sigma Beauty, which are called Demure, if I'm pronouncing that right. Popping this right above the lashes. This is actually a super pretty lash style, not too dramatic, not too neutral, kind of like this perfect in-between style type of lashes, if that makes sense. And I feel like they really go well with today's eye look. But of course, if you don't like wearing fake lashes, you can definitely skip this part. But yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Let me know if you have tried this product. I'm really curious to know, and if there's like a specific shade that you guys want me to use for one of my next videos. I think this will be so pretty on like a black smoky eye. I think it will kind of give that like graphic effect, something like that. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!